Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders back with you, the founder and CEO of Toolbox Token, aka the DIY token for the crypto industry. And we have another exciting announcement. We have officially been accepted and listed on Uniswap. Down below in the comment section, as well as the description section, you'll find a link to our Uniswap liquidity pool. Let's get on the computer and take a look.
DIYers, here we are on toolboxtoken.com, our very own cryptocurrency ecosystem website, and we are having a lot of fun doing this, and we're putting a lot of thought as well as time and work into this as we build this ecosystem into something incredible that we can all participate in. And as you can see right here, as simple as grabbing your toolbox, and as I mentioned in the intro, we have officially been accepted and listed on Uniswap. And this little icon right here, you can buy on Uniswap by clicking that, and I'll do just that. And that will take us directly to our Uniswap liquidity pool. And as you can see here, it consists of Ethereum and DIY. And to the top right corner, this is where you connect your wallet. And once you connect your wallet, you can come down here and enter in the amount of Toolbox tokens you want. Say, for example, you want 25,000 Toolbox tokens, aka DIY tokens. As you can see here, it will auto-populate the amount of Ethereum required for the swap, as well as the amount of gas fees. So a quick clarification of this screen, we are going to be swapping $6.15 worth of Ethereum and in return receiving 25,000 Toolbox, aka DIY tokens, as well as paying a gas fee of only $2.43. So again, we are excited about this. We have officially been accepted and listed on the Uniswap platform, which allowed us to create our very own liquidity pool consisting of Ethereum and Toolbox tokens. From here, I'll zero that out, and that should zero all of it out. I'll go back to our toolboxtoken.com website. And if you haven't yet, definitely check out this entire website. We put a lot of time and work into this. You'll get to know more about us, as well as the work that we've done up to this point, as well as additional work that we're excited about ahead of us, including our membership token, which is Ratchet, and our governance token, which is Socket. So again, toolboxtoken.com, definitely check that out. From here, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. And I will end by reading this line right here. Every single one of us has a little DIY in our blood. So join us, become part of the Toolbox Token ecosystem, and help us continue our excited growth so we can make this entire ecosystem into something incredible that we can all have fun participating in. Thanks again for watching.